This is Vanessa, and this is Blink Video Doorbell. With Video Doorbell, you can answer the door no matter where you are or what you're up to.
Just leave it by the door. Thanks.
Set up wire-free with long-lasting battery life or connect to your existing doorbell wiring to also sound your in-home chime.
Grandma! You ready to go to school?
Plus, get alerts from the app whenever someone presses Video Doorbell or motion is detected. So you can do this.
Hi! Totally forgot you were coming. Thanks for walking Charlie.
Yeah, no problem.
And this.
Hi, honey. How's school?
It was great!
Video Doorbell helps deliver peace of mind anytime, anywhere.
Alexa, answer the front door.
And helps make life safer and easier.
Looks like Mom's home. Let's go help her.
Aw, thank you guys.
Blink and you're home.